Hi everyone, today I'm presenting you the brilliant editions. Victorinox came with the idea of making some special brilliant, well brilliant, that's the term, editions of the Classic SD Alox. It's not like the other SDs because it doesn't have the toothpick and tweezers, and here they are. So this one is the crystal one. It's made out of Swarovski crystals. And then we've got the carbon one. It's made out of carbon fibers. And the last one, the Damast. The whole scales are made out of the famous Victorinox's Damast, which is made out of 333 layers. And let's have a look at those. Here are the little classic brilliant editions. So on your left you've got the Damast one, crystal one, and carbon one. Let's open them. I'm gonna begin with the crystal brilliant. And the box is really nice. You can see like they try to display kind of what is on the knife. Little crystals. And there's a magnet, as you can see. And here it is. Oh, well, the pendant has fallen over somewhere. Just here. Let's put it back. Maybe I'll do a thumbnail with that. Here we go. I'm gonna take it. They used Swarovski crystals. I don't know how many there's of them, but look at that shine. So there's no Victorinox logo on them. I guess it's why they used this pendant to remind of the brand. Here we go. It's super classy. I think it could be a nice gift for a woman, maybe. Well, to me, I like it a lot, so... A bit too shiny for me, actually. But here it is. Let's unbox the carbon one. So here's the carbon box. I don't know if you can have a look, but they also displayed the knife's pattern on the box. So I've been told to do my video faster. So I'm kind of trying to do it. Well, the pendant fell also on this one. So maybe the box is not as ideally done as it should. But anyway, it's just a box actually. Here we go for the pendant. Gonna take this little beast. So it has all the options of the Classic SD, except for the tweezers and toothpicks, so it's more like the Alox versions. You've got the scissors. The file. With on the tip a little screwdriver. And the main blade. And for the scale, I'm gonna do a close-up. It's a carbon scale. I mean, it's a fiber carbon. Well, I guess you understood it. Gonna also put the pendant. La-di-da-da-da-da. For those two. And last but not least, as we say in English, the Damast. So the whole scales are Damast, but I heard that the blades were not, so let's have a look. Yeah, blades are not Damast. It's just the scales. But it's a beautiful 333 layers Damast. I think they made a copyright on this Damast. It's the original Victorinox Damast. And yeah, the blades are not Damascus, which is kind of disappointing to me, but well. On this one, the pendant didn't fall. I'm gonna display them all side by side. Oh, it's not centered. Anyway, yeah, could be really a nice gift. This one is womanish than the other ones, but yeah, well, to me my favorite is the Damascus one. Look at those scales. I mean, this is not laser printed, it's real Damast. So every knife is different, of course. I'm gonna zoom on a little bit. Oh yeah, the zoom works really well. I've never tried it. Let's make a thumbnail maybe. La. Maybe let's have another look. Another closer look. Actually, this one is kind of nice too. Makes a super great Christmas present for sure. But as you may know, my favorite is black, so I kinda like the carbon one more. They call it precious due to the brilliant carbon fibers that they used, combined with the black. Got nice reflections, a shiny finish. But my favorite is this one. I would go for this one. And thanks a lot for watching the video. As always, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time with some other beauties, and I'm going to do it for sure, to record some videos about Swiss foods, and to display all the beautiful knives we've got. We've got other brands than Victorinox. We've got Wüsthof, we've got, I think I'm going to show you the panorama knives first, and do a little video about some Swiss sandwiches with like hot sandwiches using Swiss products and Swiss cheese. And I guess everybody likes cheese, but maybe you've never heard about Swiss cheese, and Swiss cheese is quite as good as French cheese. Maybe for me, the Gruyere is better than most of other... Oh my god, all the French are gonna rage on me for that one. But you know, I'm Swiss, so... Yeah, bye bye, see you next time, cheers, bye bye.